So guys, everyone is talking about the ChatGPT that is created by OpenAI. So I just thought of making a video and let us go one step ahead and find out what exactly is ChatGPT and how do we use the ChatGPT. Apart from that, can we use the ChatGPT for blog post content and many other questions we are going to answer in this video. So guys, what exactly is a ChatGPT? So before answering this question, first of all, let us go on Google and just type ChatGPT over here. So when you search for ChatGPT on Google, you will get the very first link, that is ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogue OpenAI. So guys, this is kind of a chatbot that is launched by OpenAI, as you can see on the right hand side, in the November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5. So guys, basically this is a chatbot that you can chat with. Now this chatbot is built with the aim in order to provide some educational information and any kind of information that you want. So you can simply ask your queries to this chatbot and it will answer. So guys, let us go to this link over here. So when I click on this first link, here you can see this URL that is getting opened. I'll put this URL in the description section as well so that you can try out. So over here, introducing ChatGPT research release, so you can try it out. So I'll click on this try button over here. So it is going to check few things, whether the connection is secure or not. So yes, it is secure. So you will have to sign up for this. So I'll quickly log in because I already have the account created over here. So after you have logged in, this is the dialog box that is being displayed. This is a free research preview. Our goal is to get external feedback in order to improve our systems and make them safer. While we have safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. So guys, this is kind of a warning that you can see. When you click on next, there are some more details that is being provided. So let us click on done over here. So basically, as you can see, these are certain queries that are already present, which you can simply click and find out the answers for. So guys, let's say over here, I want to find out about the Python programming language. So I will simply type, what is Python programming language? So over here, as you can see, we can simply type our query, and then when we press enter over here, it is going to find out the answers for us and it is going to provide some detailed answers. Now guys, it is already said that this information that is provided by ChatGPT over here, it is not accurate. It might be incorrect as well. So we cannot completely rely on these answers that are being provided by the ChatGPT. So as you can see, in a matter of seconds, we got the answer for our query. Python is a general purpose programming language that is widely used in web development, data analysis, and so and so. So a simple query we had provided and we got the response. And then you can see over here, we are also getting the regenerate response. So if you want some other response apart from the response that we have already got, let us click over here. What do we get now? So it is giving us some other response over here apart from what was already given previously. Guys, it also provides us over here the like button and the dislike button in order to train this particular chatbot. Remember that this is the AI system over here which is learning from our queries and it is going to improve itself with time. Now let us ask another question over here. If you are a website owner, so can you use ChatGPT for blog post content? Let us ask this question to the ChatGPT itself. So over here we will ask the query, can I use your content as my blog post content, question mark. And then when we press enter over here, so let us see what response we can get. So it says, I am sorry, but you cannot use my content as your own. The content that I provide is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to be copied or republished without proper attribution. So guys, it is saying that we cannot use its content that is provided over here in the form of responses in our blog post content or anywhere else, and it is just for the informational and educational purposes only. If you would like to use information from my responses in your own blog or website, I recommend that you properly cite the source of the information and provide a link back to the original content. So guys, it is saying that even if you are using the content from this ChatGPT, we are supposed to link to this particular original website from where we have found the content. And guys, apart from this, many other website owners must be knowing that if we use some content from the AI, Google is very smart in order to recognize that the content is from AI and it is not written by the human. So we might have to face the penalties as far as the rankings of our blog posts are concerned on the Google search. So guys, this makes us to come to the next question, that is what ChatGPT says about using its data as content. So basically we have seen that we cannot use the data, we cannot directly copy and paste into our blog post as such and publish the same, but what we can do exactly is we can generate ideas. So let's say if I want to write about programming languages, so we can simply say top 10 topics on Python programming language for blog post. And then when we press enter, so as you can see, these are certain detailed topics that you can see over here. So as you can see, we have got the top 10 topics for our next blog post ideas. Over here we are getting certain details as well as to what we can cover in these topics. So as you can see, getting started with Python, that is the first topic, and the bot is suggesting us that this could be an introduction to Python for beginners covering topics such as installing Python, setting up development environment, and so on. Then we have data types and variables in Python, control structures in Python, and so on. We are getting the top 10 topics. Apart from that, let us see what are the top 5 places that we can visit in 2023. So top 5 places to visit in 2023. It is saying, I'm sorry, but I am unable to provide information about future events or destinations. So guys, basically this is because it doesn't have access to internet. So let us check whether ChatGPT have access to internet. So let us ask it, do you have access to internet? So it says, I am a large language model trained by OpenAI and I do not have access to the internet. I am able to provide information and answers questions based on the knowledge and data that was available to me at the time of my training. So guys, remember that it is being trained in order to answer few questions, and with time it will be getting trained on multiple topics as well. So it says, but I am not able to browse the web or access new information. So any new news, if you expect that ChatGPT should know, so guys, you will be disappointed. Over here it doesn't have any access to the internet, and that is what all ChatGPT is about. You can ask the simple queries for which it is trained for, and then you will get the answers. Basically the best benefit of a ChatGPT will be in order to know what are the topics that you must cover if you are a website owner, or if you are a YouTuber who wants to create new videos. You can check out what are the new ideas that you can cover in a specific niche about which you create the YouTube videos. Apart from that, whatever field you belong to, you can ask your queries and check out what responses you get from ChatGPT. Guys, if you want me to cover any other topic about the ChatGPT, then let me know in the comment section below. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.